We have $1,000. Perfectly done, guys. $11,000. 90,000. So, hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael, and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So, my dear friends, as always, now I'm going to show you the coolest strategy for the binary options market that will give you millions of dollars. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to use two of my favorite indicators, Donchian Channel and MACD. First of all, I am opening the first trade. As you can see, we have reached the upper edge of the Donchian Channel. After this, I'm expecting the pullback from the zone, and that's why I have opened sell position. By the way, I'm using only short time period, and I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade. This will help us to save our time and to enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Okay guys, so let's check USDB real currency pair. What can we see here? MACD indicator is telling us about the long signals. We're now above the middle line of the Donchian Channel. After this, I'm expecting upgoing movement towards the upper edge of the Donchian Channel, and that's why we have opened buy position. That's good, that's good. Price is growing, and we approximately have reached the upper edge. And yep, yes guys, we have reached the upper edge. I was absolutely right. We have even broken through the upper edge of the Donchian Channel. Fine. Everything is going according to our plan. Price is giving us good reaction. Amazing. Oh shit, so fucking nice, so fucking good. That's crazy, that's perfect. Your Michael was absolutely right once again, as always. Yep guys, we got our money. We have $144. That's good. Let's continue, my dear friends. Let's check USD INR. What can we see here? MACD indicator is in the short zone. Together with this, we can see the bearish consumption of the previous green candle. All of this is telling us about the short movement, and we have opened sell position here, expecting the price to reach the middle line of the Donchian Channel. So we expect the drop towards the middle line of the Donchian Channel. My friends, how is going your day? Please share with me these thoughts, ideas, stories in comments below this video. Moreover, please give me feedbacks concerning my strategies, my videos, your results. Subscribers of my Telegram channel, guys, leave comments, be active. I want to see you all here. I love you all. You are my dream team. I want to see all of you here in my comments. I want to see you. I want to hear you. I want to communicate with you everywhere. So do this, leave comments, my friends, and press like buttons. Okay, my friends, let's change our investment to $276. Let's check your outlook. What can we see here? MACD is in the short zone once again. We have a very strong bullish candle. Moreover, we are going to hit the middle line of the Donchian Channel, and after this I'm expecting the pullback from the zone. That's why I have opened sell position here. Now I'm expecting good correction from that zone, because all in all we need to at least show the 30% correction after such a big bullish candle. When you see bullish or bearish consumption candle, which is bullish or bearish consumption candle, when it's very strong, big I mean, highly likely after this you will see correction of at least 30% of the previous movement. So just like here, we can observe small correction, not 30%, but now even 30. Just look at this, 30% correction is done from the previous bullish movement. That's okay, that's what I was telling you about. Now let's change our investment to $525. Let's check USD PKR currency pair. MACD indicator is giving us long signal. We can see a very strong upgoing trend. There is no idea about the short. That's why, of course, I'm choosing buy position and I'm opening it. So we have invested $525 here. Our money I invested here. Everything is very good. Everything's fine. Perfectly done. We have $1,000. That's good. $1,000. We have them. Now let's continue. Let's change our investment to $1,000. Let's check USD IRS. So what can we see here? We have reached a strong level of resistance. After this, we observe the pullback from that zone. We have broken through the Donchian Channel middle line and we're going towards the bottom of the Donchian Channel. So we will hit it very soon, I guess, and our movements will be fully done. Anyway, we're already in profit. Everything is very good. I'm sure 100% that we will get our profit here without any mistake. Perfectly done, guys. We have $1,928 on the account. That's good. Let's check out the USD. Okay, so we have opened buy position here. As you can see, we can observe the pullback from the resistance line. Oscillates is giving us a long signal. I am expecting now the breakthrough of the resistance line this time, and that's why I have opened buy position, expecting this breakthrough. So this resistance line is the same as the upper edge of the Donchian Channel. So this is 2 times powerful zone because it combines resistance line of the chart together with upper edge of the Donchian Channel. And this option is telling us that this is a very strong zone, and we had reaction several times from it, but now I think that we will break through it. And anyway, we have closed with profit. We got our money. Anyway, we have $3,638, and as you see, price, yep, it has broken through the resistance line. I was right. That's what I'm loving in this work. I love that I always right because I'm Michael Trader. I'm professional trader. I'm the best one ever, and that's me. Yep, guys, while I'm talking, don't forget one important thing. Right now, bitches! Open description to this video, find link to my private TG, subscribe to it right now. Yes, I'm telling you, subscribe to it right now. Here in my TG, you will get trading signals, analytics, educational materials, which you can apply to your work. And the most important thing, you should write me private message in the TG telling me, my dear, beautiful and handsome Mike, I want to become VIP member, and I will automatically, for free, my friends, add you to my VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions each day at the scheduled time, and you will get free trading signals from me. You will apply the signals to your work and get real cash and profit together with me. Each fucking day you will get profits, you will get skills, you will get experience. After this, you will be able in some time become trader, and in the long run become professional trader and start working on your own without my help. However, if anytime you have any kind of question, you can ask me concerning trading and get response, because I will be always responsible for you, because I was that guy who invited you in that sphere. So, do this right now, it's absolutely free. All you need is just to make the deposit on the Quatex and start trading. Don't miss this chance and get your money even tomorrow. So now, while I was talking, I was looking after the market. Also, yep, I can do several things simultaneously. Now we're opening buy position. We can see the pullback from the support line after the drop. Now I'm going to open buy positions too, investing my $6,000, expecting good upgoing correction, which is pullback from the support line zone, and get, of course, my profits. Let's wait a little bit and get this money, bitches. Yep. I want to earn money. I'm Michael Trader, bitch. Look at this shit. That's me, bitch. Okay, so we got this. We have $11,000. Oh, shit. Woo! Let's continue. Let's open the last trade for today. Let's open it. Let's check USD INR. USD INR is opened. And I'm going to open buy position, investing $8,000. I have invested your 1 year salary, bitch. 1 year salary I have invested in just in one trade. You wanna do the same? Be my TG, trade with me, be millionaire, just like me, bitch. We have the pullback from the middle line of the Donchian Channel. Now I'm expecting the breakthrough of the average and continuation of the current upgoing trend. I'm sure this will be done because I'm Michael Trader. I will get this money. Girl, I told you, bitch, don't fold, don't play with me the stupid games. I wanna get this money, bitch. Give me my money, man. Fuck yeah, bitch. Give me my money, yep. 90,000, more than 90,000, 20,000 bucks. I got this 20,000. I got this money. I'm millionaire. I'm professional. If you wanna be like me, subscribe to my private TG. Link in the description. Do this right now and be with me. And tomorrow, during the same kind of session, you will get your profits. Don't miss this shit. Do this right now. Be millionaire. Bye bye, bitch.